video. Oh, this video. Hey, geez, my babies are here. We made it. We are here in Puerto Rico. My parents live here, so we stayed with them. It was a beautiful stay. We got to enjoy each other's company. We did a lot of chilling at the beach, relaxing, eating. It was funny. Our first stop after getting off the plane was actually Cheesecake Factory because they swear it's better than any Cheesecake Factory in the States. So we had to go check that out. Shortly after, we went to the beach, and this area here kind of overlooks the water. It's really high up on the cliffs. We watched the sunset. We listened to music. We talked. And then we kind of called it a night. We were a little tired from traveling. So we headed back to the house, had some dinner. Everybody else had drinks. And then we called it a night. This is my parents' beautiful backyard. So pretty back here and relaxing. Most mornings I would just come out here and read my book, listen to a little music, put my feet up, and listen to the birds and the ocean. They're so close to the beach that when you listen closely, you can hear it. But it was really nice to enjoy the silence outdoors. It is day 2, technically. But our first full day out here in Puerto Rico. I'm just chilling out back. It's really pretty. There's a nice breeze. It's warm, but it's not like unbearably hot. But it's nice. We're getting ready to go to the beach. So that's probably where we're going to be the rest of the day. But we'll see what else we end up doing. It's a new day. We spent the rest of the day at the beach, hung out all day there, loved it. We got some chicken on a stick off the street. It was delicious and cheap. And then came back to the house, chilled with some friends, and hung out. Then I went to bed super early, like super, super early. But I felt refreshed the next morning. So my parents took us to this restaurant that was up in the mountains. It had a beautiful view. The food was delicious. Like, I always forget how delicious the food is in Puerto Rico and inexpensive. It's definitely something that I missed as soon as we got back. Like, we didn't even want to eat the food here once we got back home. It just did not compare. But, yes, we went to that restaurant. We checked out this little coffee museum that my mom took us to. They had animals there. The coffee was delicious. It smelled so good everywhere. And then after that, we went to a waterfall. It was not planned, as you can tell by our clothes, you'll see. But we decided, why not hike up there a little bit, get in the water, and it was just a beautiful experience. I've always wanted to get in the waterfall and go see one. So I'm really glad we were able to do that. Like, that was truly a dream come true for me and to check off my list. So I loved it.
We have not brought here.
We have not.
Brought here has slipped.
Really?
Really?
So it's not going to happen today.
You might want to take off your shoes, Bakari. What was that?
What was that?
what?
So I'm kind of scared that I just all go out there and start killing them and trying to come down there. Yeah. You know, I'm okay. I should go.
Nah, I just switched out my glass.
Then after spending most of our day at the waterfall, came back to the house, kind of did our usual thing, had dinner, chilled, relaxed, and then the next day, pretty much did the same thing. We went to the beach in the morning, hung out at the beach all day, then had some lunch and dinner, drinks, food, talked, ate, listened to music, danced, and that was really it. It was a relaxing trip for us. We didn't want to exhaust ourselves doing a lot of sightseeing and going all out. And also, I didn't have it in me at 7 months pregnant to really just go around and see all that the island has to offer. So we did what we could and did enough to where we got out, but it was also relaxing and we got to enjoy each other's company and just sit and listen to the water and soak up the sun and enjoy time with my parents. So yeah, we had a great time. And then I'm kind of finishing out the video with just some pictures. I took way more pictures than I did videos. So yeah, there's that. I hope you enjoy.